Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can see, for today's look, it is going to be this really colorful look. I know it's not everybody's cup of tea, but I want you guys to go ahead and try something different, and hopefully this inspires you guys. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I came up with this look, stay tuned and keep on watching. For my brows, I'm using the Brow Contour Pro pencil from Benefit Cosmetics. And you guys, this pencil is really cool because it has like 5 different shades. So I'm going in with the lightest shade first, and then I'm filling it in with the darkest shade. So for this look, I wanted that feathered look on my brows, and since I don't have them naturally like that, I went ahead and applied some lash glue, and I just feathered everything into its place. So moving on to my eyes, I'm going to go ahead and use the ABHRiviera palette. I'm taking the hot pink shade and just applying it inside my crease and just blending everything together. As you guys can see, I'm doing patting motions. I'm not really blending, I'm just patting. Okay, so for my second palette, I will be switching it up to the Mosaic palette from Trend Beauty. You guys already know how I feel about these palettes. They are super bomb, and I'm taking this light purple and just applying it over, or not over, but on top of that hot pink shade. Going back in with that hot pink shade, I'm just blending everything together and just applying it wherever it needs to be filled a little bit more. To cut my crease, I'm using the Morphe White Concealer. Over that, I will be applying this baby blue shade from Trend Beauty's palette. And as you guys can see, it's super pigmented. It's a really pretty color. For my eyeliner, I will be taking the Suva Beauty Hydra liner in the shade Scrunchie. It's a really beautiful color. The only thing is that they do tend to crack at times. But first, I will be drawing out my liner with this white concealer. Switching my brush, I will be applying it just on the outer corner, just blending everything together. I'm not gonna lie, this eyeliner was a little bit hard because it dries out super quick. So what I would do is just spray it with a little bit of water, and then we would be good. And then I went ahead and applied a little bit of that hot pink shade on top just to kind of give it that extra pop and just to set everything into its place. Then just went over that blue shade. And then I'm going to go ahead and use these eyelashes. You guys, these eyelashes are super beautiful. They're from the By L Cosmetics or something like that. I don't know. They just sent them to me, but they're really nice. And they're in the style WCW, I believe. And then just highlighting my under eyes with the ColourPop Cosmetics concealer. Yeah, this concealer is so good. My waterline, I'm taking that same Suva Beauty eyeliner and just applying it. I know you guys, I'm pulling my eye really ugly, but this is the only way I can do it. Then just went in with a little bit of that pink shade and just blended everything together. And then finishing off with a little bit of mascara. It's weird because I hadn't used mascara in a long time. I had stopped using it, but I think I like it. And then a little bit of that unicorn dust highlight, my favorite. And a little bit on my cheek, and that's it, guys. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this look and liked it. Like I said, it's not everybody's cup of tea, but you know, I love doing colorful looks as well, so I really hope that you guys liked it. If you guys did, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.